Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the water valve on a Frigidaire refrigerator. You might need to change this part out if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can get notified when we post new videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and an adjustable wrench. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or switching the breaker off, as well as turning off its water supply before doing any work on it. To access the water valve, you need to pull the refrigerator out from the wall, then remove the lower access panel by taking out the 1/4-inch screws. After that, remove the access panel. Once the rear access panel is off, you'll see the water valve on the right side of the machine compartment. Make sure that the water is turned off, then disconnect the water supply line to the water valve. We need to remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that hold the water valve in place. Once that's done, we can slide the valve out from the refrigerator. After that, disconnect the wiring to the valve. To slide the tubes out, push in on the ring around the tube, and while you push in, pull the tube out. Have a towel handy in case there is still water in the lines. As you disconnect the tubing, pay close attention to where the tubing is connected. Once you have the old valve removed, you need to install the new valve. Next, you'll push the tubing back into the water valve and then reconnect the wiring. Slide the water valve back into place. Then secure it with the 2 1/4-inch screws. Once you're finished with that, reattach the water supply line, then put the rear cover on with the 4 1/4-inch screws. Don't forget to plug your fridge back in or flip the circuit breaker back on, as well as turning the water back on. You made it! Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a replacement water valve yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Don't forget to plug your fridge back in or turn that breaker back on. And while you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.